In today's video, I'll show you how to hand draw over your video, a super fun way to create custom doodles, highlight moments, or even animate handwriting. Start by importing your video into CapCut and placing it on the timeline. Now, tap on text, and under that, you'll find the draw option. Once you open it, you'll see the full drawing panel. Here you can pick your brush style, choose any color, and adjust the size, hardness, and opacity sliders. The size slider changes how thick or thin your line appears. The hardness slider controls how soft or sharp your edges look. And the opacity slider decides how solid or transparent your drawing is. Now, go ahead and draw or write anything you like directly over your video, maybe a doodle, underline, or signature. When you're done, tap the check mark and CapCut automatically creates a drawing layer over your video. Here's where it gets fun. Tap on that drawing layer and go to animation. You'll see options like in, out, and loop. I'll choose swipe right from the in section. This makes it look like I'm drawing it in real time. You can experiment with other styles too, like fade in or pop up, depending on your creativity. Once you've adjusted the speed and timing, hit play, and there you go. You've just added a smooth, hand-drawn, animated effect to your video. And that's it. You've learned how to hand draw, stylize, and animate your drawings in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tricks.